Upgrade St. Lucia. Upgrade to 100% superfast 4G coverage.
The Civil Service Association, the employee bargaining agent for staff at the Ministry of Health, followed through on their threat of industrial action. The protest centers on the alleged delayed disbursement of overtime compensation dating as far back as 2012.
The matter is being addressed, and it's amazing. It's amazing that we are hearing the decision from the CSA via the media. I have no correspondence documents at the ministry indicating that this is the decision from the CSA. We heard it via the media on Friday afternoon, Friday evening. But I can tell you that, like the PS said to a member of the CSA, I was present when she took the call, and she assured that the Ministry of Health will deal with this with all urgency.
Patients at key health institutions on Tuesday, July 28th, may have experienced longer wait times for service, with at least 6 drivers attached to the health ministry refusing to shuttle the staff complement of nurses and doctors.
These are low-level workers. These are workers at grade 5, grade 7, so nobody pays them any respect. But the importance that these guys do, the things that they do, is very important. And as I said, if it was somebody at a higher level, as a PS, a deputy permanent, as an executive director, that would not have happened. I can guarantee you that.
Supposedly, following months of written communication to the public service, finance and health ministries, Wilfred Pierre, the CSA's acting general secretary, on July 24th, announced the decision to go ahead with strike action if the state does not yield to the request that the workers be paid by July 27th. Several documents, including a 2013 letter from Victoria Hospital's executive director, legal counsel for at least one of the drivers, and an approval notice from the finance ministry for the disbursement of funds were disclosed to News Force.
To be honest with you, from the information that I'm getting, is that they have given the authority to pay. The Ministry of Finance have given the authority to pay, and it's a long time, but for some reason, it is not being paid. Now, they have to find out what the some reason is.
Despite a previous payment to 2 of the drivers, the CSA estimates the government collectively owes tens of thousands of dollars to the employees.
I cannot tell you that because I'm not in the Ministry of Finance, or neither I'm in Treasury. But I know authorization had been given, and so that should be happening very soon.
The effectiveness of the strike could be called into question, with some of the drivers choosing to carry out their duties in extreme circumstances. The CSA reiterates its action is to prove a point, but not jeopardize the delivery of healthcare. According to Wilfred Pierre, this compassionate type of industrial action will go on until a compromise is reached. Rihani Isidore, HTS News Force.